Greetings! It's been really a while since I've done any vlogging or unpacking or any other stuff. So what you can basically see is that the garage has changed quite a lot, giving a small update here. Also on everything that's going on. It's really a mess. Don't take a look at it closer, but you can see that a lot of stuff has changed. The body kit is still undone. We have the Saban hood, or the trunk lift basically there. The hood is on place. We have the latches on place, and the front is almost done. And what you can see is the body is still unfinished, so the side skirts and rear bumper is still there. So it's a lot, but that's not why we are here. I wanted to do an unpacking video of this bad boy over here. So this is Ing's jet porter wing. It's directly ordered from Japan. Basically why I wanted to do this film is to see that what's the or show you guys how good is the actual handcrafting quality in these parts, because it's unreal. It's totally unreal. I had a small sneak peek. I took those big carton tubes out there. It's really nicely packed, but let's take a closer look together that how does it actually look like. But this is the thing. This is the crown jewel of the rear spoilers. So let's dig in deeper. Okay, so what do we have here? The wing is actually down there, and these are the brackets that came along. I already took it out. It was really nicely packed, so nothing could move there actually when they are moving it around. But I have to show you guys, look at this quality of these parts. It's incredible. I have never seen this nicely finished spoiler parts in my life, so I'm really happy about the purchase. You can actually see the profile of the wing. It's there. We have some decals, and that's the thing. Actually, I ordered it with the lower brackets, so these are the higher brackets. They didn't have this option to basically in the side where I ordered it, so I had to message them and they added on the list. There were basically two options. There was this high brackets and the lower ones, and the lower will be looking so cool on that. In my previous project car I had the higher brackets and it was cool, but this is now a bit different looking, but it will still look amazing when I get it in the car. So that's the thing. Let's see, I'm gonna save those. These will get to the spoiler itself. There's another one. There's two of them, of course. Let's put these ones aside a bit and see what else is here. This is my doing, it's not how they packed it. Okay, I'm gonna need my both hands here, so. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. I can already tell you that this is looking good. All these have been routed up. These are very smooth. There's nothing, no sharp edges. It's completely smooth. And the quality of the work is just amazing. You can see the carbon fiber is nicely done. It's usually these rounded edges that have some sort of markings or visibility of some quality stuff that you can see that it's not already completely attached, but you can see that this is rounded. Everything is looking phenomenal. Let's turn it upside down. There's the down brackets. There's no spaces here. It's completely bolted onto the chassis here, and you can see the flaps here. Excellent quality. I like it a lot. There's some handprints, just probably because I just took it out. There's some from me, yes, it's dust. And then there is the other one, also looking quite phenomenal. Let's see at the brackets here also. Okay, here you can also see that all the lugs and nuts are also black, so that's super cool. Detail there, and you can see eventually we can see the fitment here only when we do the install, but it's not far away. If you can see it, it comes a bit here I think somewhere around there. And the old spoiler is there blocking it, so can't see it directly, but it's at least looking good from the profile perspective, so nice. So this will come here. So it's something like 15 to 30 centimeters max, the height, and you can actually adjust it accordingly. So there's multiple spots that you can basically choose from how to install it and get the angle here corrected. So looking actually really good. I can already visualize how it's looking when you put it on the car. So it will be like this. It's super light also. It will be like that on top of the car, and somewhere around here is the correct height. Not here like the usual spoiler, but a bit more down, so something like here. But we will also change this one. I got another jewel there on the floor, that white big box, so we're gonna change that one also. This will never see the original trunk at all, so eventually we will change this one to carbon fiber also. It's from Sabon Carbon. This one is from Ings, this spoiler. And the Sabon trunk lid basically is the same quality as this one. And I think, as you can see in the previous video, we had some issues that it was not stacking down, but now you can see it's pretty good looking, and it's not that high what you see on the previous video. So looking good, looking eager to continue the project, and we'll go from there. But that's the review. Very good quality. Ings, thumbs up. You guys are doing a phenomenal job. Keep on going. Oh yes, and I also almost forgot, these are the instructions. I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what this actually say here. Let's see. I'll just look inside. So here's the dig hole. I was thinking maybe somewhere here could be, or then on the chassis of the car there. Let's see where it eventually go. There's two of them actually, so for the both sides. One here and one for the other side. And let's see, now there's just this paper, so that's how it should be looking like when you put it in the car. So I just tightened these slightly on the both sides, but looking good. Funny thing, actually, I think the waiting time for this spoiler was from 9 to 12 months, so if you're in a hurry and want to get to your own, place the order early.